Welcome to SpanishListo.com, the website where you will be able to have online lessons through Skype. In today's lesson, we are going to start to study the definite articles in Spanish. Let's start by defining what an article is.
An article is the part of a sentence that gives the information of the noun, basically the gender and the number of the noun they are preceding. Articles are divided into definite article and indefinite article. In today's lesson, we are going to describe and explain what the definite article is. The definite article in English is the word the. In Spanish, we have four forms of the same word: el, la, los, and las. And that happens because each one of those words contains the information for the noun. So we have el, which is masculine singular, la, which is feminine singular, los, which is masculine plural, and las, which is feminine plural. It's important to repeat and remember that the article is going to provide the necessary information to know if the rest of the sentence will be masculine or feminine, and that will depend to know what kind of agreement we should do with the adjective. We have some examples here. El carro, which is carro, is a noun, which is masculine, is car, and that is the car. Then we have la casa, the house. In Spanish, we need to get used to the fact that every single rule has exceptions. So basically, all the different grammatical points that we are going to be covering in our future videos will have always exceptions. That being said, we are going to see the word el. As explained before, the article el is used to determine if a word is masculine, singular. However, in certain words that start by the vowel A and only the vowel A or A in Espanol, we have to use the article el, masculine, regardless if the word is feminine or masculine. That happens to avoid cacophony, which is the upsetting sound of two vowels together, and we cannot discriminate the use of each vowel. Something similar happens in English when you add an N before words that are starting with a vowel. For instance, you don't say a elephant, you say an elephant, or you say an apple. In Spanish, that only occurs with certain words. That is not a constant rule. Depends on the word, you will have to use the masculine or the feminine related to the vowel that the word is starting with. That means that when the word turns masculine, that means when the word turns plural, we still are going to keep the original gender of the word. So for instance, we have el agua singular, but if it's plural, we say las aguas, and the reason being is because we have an S between the two vowels, so we avoid some cacophony. It is difficult to always understand what is the gender of the word that we are talking about. Therefore, it's always advisable to go and check your dictionary, and you can see if the word is masculine or feminine. For more of these lessons, we invite you to join us to SpanishListo.com, when you will be able to have a tutor to have one-on-one lessons online. Also, please follow us in our social media. We will see you on the next video.